Okay, this is for the Gpsina M2 video. Okay, you have to download the app Gpsina from Play Store or Apple App Store. So Gpsina. You have to log in your email account. So register a new new account. Key in your password. Okay, for my account. So you can change your password. So after 1 year, this is a SIM renewal. Okay, you click in, then follow the step. You can pay online. Okay, back. So this sample video for Gpsina M2. Okay, now is ACC off, engine off. So when your car engine start, this will turn to the ACC on. Okay, this is register GP, just a code for your ID. Okay, and the date for the active, your ID, tracker ID. Okay, locate. So this is actual your car location. Okay, red color has been engine off. So green color icon, engine on. So top view will follow by Google Maps view. Okay, back. Fence. So you can set your fence. So your car always inside the circle, get notification. So when your car go out of the circle, you will get one notification for your car out. So when your car coming back, so you will get second notification. So you can do the setting from here or others way, another circle. So you click for the plus icon. History, you can check your history. Okay, click for the park history. This is ACC on, ACC off. Or the daily history. So start from what the time, then and the speed as well. Okay, this P is for parking. Okay, back. Okay, more. Okay, this is a register. Normally we will put in a car number plate to easy to remember. Then you can do your speed limit. When over 130, you will get a notification. So push notification setting, you can choose which one you have to receive the notification. Okay, and alert. So you can check back your alert. So it's here, fence out. Okay, your car will fence out, then will fence in. Okay, this is over speed. So if you got two tracker, you can register in the same user. So you will get a second tracker ID here. Okay, so this sample for Gpsina M2 by 1bis. Thank you.